Mayang, what's happening?
Okay. But I cannot. Yes.
Now please give way for that.
You will all learn.
Once I will stand here, sir. I will send
You take care.
Yes, sir. Video, sir, this one?
Here we can find
That's
several sets of red, blue color, red color, then orange color. Weaving.
Ma'am,
For knitting, we'll be using only a single yarn will be used for making a fabric. Here, weaving, we are using several yarn. Blue color yarn, red color, orange color. Is that clear? Come here, boys, come here.
Come to say, hello, come on.
Just come and use
Stand here, Manoj, stand here.
This is a weaving loom, okay? This machine is called loom. You would have learned, no?
The machine name is
loom. Weaving. This is machine operated. It is not hand operated, okay? They are weaving with the help of machine, no?
very important.
How many sets of thread are you seeing now? How many sets of yarn?
Sir, explain this, sir, please.
What are the colors?
Only one.
Two. Here.
No need to take, sir.
Orange color is there. Blue color is there.
Sure.
Red color. For weaving, we are using more than 2 sets of yarn. What is weaving? Arranging 2 sets of yarn now.
Hey, listen well here first. Ma'am, what saying? What are you
This
doing?
is called weaving. Weaving is arrangement. Weaving is a process of making a fabric by arranging 2 sets of yarn. So this is the yarn. Okay, orange color. This is the red color. This is the yarn. This is blue color yarn. Okay. Yarn is made up of thin strands of fiber. When we twist the fiber, we will get a yarn. Okay. This is cotton yarn. Cotton yarn. Okay. They are making a cotton saree out of it. Okay. They are arranging the sets of yarn to make a fabric. This is the loom, machine operated loom. Okay.
Hey, all of you know how make that sarees? How?
You 2 years
Years we came to the same
We
place.
also going the.
2 years they came to the same place, so they know what is weaving. Perhaps next year also they will
Ma'am, anything
come.
next day, sir?
Sir, I said 5th standard.
Yes, madam. You explain. Preeta explains well.
Sir?
The video tape.
Yes, I have video taped all your. It's okay, no problem. We would like to listen to your voice.
We don't know about that.
We would like to listen to your voice.
You are making fun of it.
Swear,
That
you are
means we
it's
take the
very
video.
educated. Next.
Audio.
Yes, next batch of students. That's all. This is what they know. They make in weaving. They make thread into fabric. Fabric is different, thread is different. Thread is an individual strand like hair. and when thread is put together, you get fabric. The process of weaving thread and yarn, I think same, or some terminology yarn. Yes. Yeah,
Fiber
she
is
put
twisted into a yarn and
thread.
yarn
What do we call thread? Okay, yarn. Yarn is made into fabric. Fabric is what we wear as fabric is cloth. Cloth is cut and measured, and then it is stitched into dress. You understand? So yarn.
sarees are not cut, sir. They are draped.
So that is how the weaving is done. Nowadays it is automated. In the days of Gandhi, we had this apparatus by which a man has to pull and push and kick.
That is handloom.
Handloom. Now handloom is gone. Machine loom has come. Today machine loom will be gone. Another automatic technology will come by which this man also will be removed. And push button and automatically you get fiber or you get this textile.
But don't
Already
listen to sir.
automated technology has come. We import the technology from Japan and Korea by which automatic fabric is made by just push button technology. Even one man's supervision is not needed because it is automated. So gradually manpower is removed. Automatically machine power is brought in. This is the growth of technology. And Gandhiji is
saree வந்து எப்படி 400 500
இது வந்து 250 ரூபா இன்னொரு சாரினா 600
அவ்வளவுதான் காஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ப்ரொடக்ஷன்.
They are selling the sarees also.
Listen. Shh. See, you note down the details. He is paid 60 rupees as wages for us weaving. Listen, girls.
Come inside.
Some students stand outside.
Come inside. See, you accommodate your. அவ்வளவுதான். இது பீஸ் ரேட். அது பீஸ் ரேட். தட் இஸ் இல்லம்மா, அதான் பீஸ் ரேட்னு பேர். அது நம்பர் ஆஃப் கவுண்ட் ஆஃப் சாரீஸ். அதேதான். வேஷ்டிக்கு எவ்வளவு கொடுக்குறாங்க உங்களுக்கு? வேஷ்டி நெஞ்சு கொடுத்தா எவ்வளவு கொடுக்குறாங்க?
ரூபா கூலி. அது நான் ஓட்டல வெளியே உள்ளது 9500 ரூபா கூலி விட்டாங்க. வந்து 570 மீட்டர்.
ஓ அப்படியா? ஒரு வேஷ்டிக்கு எவ்வளவு சம்பளம் உங்களுக்கு? ஒரு வேஷ்டிக்கு
சம்பளம் வந்து
yarn காசு
30 ரூபா வரும். இது குறைஞ்ச சம்பளம் தான் கொடுக்குறாங்க அவங்களுக்கு. ஆனா நிறைய விலைக்கு விற்கிறாங்க.
they sell the sarees.
See that you look at the sufferings of the Indian boys and listen.
Keep quiet.
You first listen to the sufferings of the weavers. Technology is there, but he is paid. He says for making one saree he is paid 60 rupees. For making one dhoti he is paid 30 rupees. Imagine what a man will do with 60 rupees per item per one cloth. And see the poorest wages. Look at the condition of the Indian weavers. It is not at all prosperity. It is poverty. This is the condition ever since the days of the British rule also. In those days also weavers suffered. Today also their profit never goes to their pockets. It goes to the the pockets of the retailers like textile showrooms. Textile owners and retailers, the showroom textile shops, they take away all this that profit. What does
Every saree is
60 rupees.
Only 4 thread or
4 threads, sir. 4 threads. Yes.
Any sarees?
Minimum they can use.
Minimum is they can use.
How many?
Minimum 2 colors and a maximum of 4 colors.
Minimum 2 colors.
Minimum 2 colors
How
should
many?
be.
Sir, power question
Cost it 150 rupees for that fabric, thuni, that yarn. His wages 60 rupees. So imagine what is.
Sir, sometimes the power may be going.
Power may be. He is given free electricity. இலவச மின்சாரம் தராங்களா? அது ஒன்று. Free subsidized, not subsidized, free electricity supply. This is another incentive given by the government for trade, because remember this comes under handloom industry. Hello.
Coming under the handloom
Industry. Handloom industry is governed by Ministry of Textiles. It is a central government wing. So Ministry of Textiles controls all these things, and they provide all this machinery even at a subsidized cost. Every year they give awards for best weavers. Every year they conduct a festival.
Recent minister for textiles.
Textiles, I don't know. Bhujbal, I think.
Tamil Nadu, anybody know, ma'am? Irani got textile minister. For central minister is Smriti Irani only.
Smriti Irani for education. Additional in charge, I think. Smriti Irani for.
Because in times now, Guardian they don't get girl like them.
Oh, additional charge. So you write down the condition of the farmers, because
Hey, students.
even if this gentleman was,
You ask them.
please listen, you speak to the man, ask questions, get some answers from the man.
Loom. This measure is famous loom. Loom. Loom.
You also write about the condition, social conditions of the weavers. Hey, Ritika, Vijida and others, you never listen, only talk. Listen.
Hey.
See, one paragraph you should write about technology, what is weaving and how it is, how yarn is made into cloth. One paragraph. Another paragraph, what are the things used? The machine, driven by electricity, three-phase electricity. And then the yarn, the thread which is used, other things. Minimum 2 colors, maximum 2 colors.
Things what they
Machine first they everything.
Only machine and yarn, that's all. Machine and yarn. And electricity is given free by the government. 100%. Free. Mulusa free. Mulu current free. So 100% free electricity supply for the weaving looms. அது பட்டன் தான், புஷ் பட்டன் தான். அங்க இருக்கும் அவங்க கிட்ட மெயின்ஸ் அந்த இது, அந்த புஷ் பட்டன். 24 hours free. Whenever there is power supply, they can use it. This Arif and others. You pay attention. See, I cannot keep on repeating like cinema retake. I am not an actor to do retake in front of camera. So even see. Listen, whenever there is electricity, they can run. I think three phase current. Yes, they use three-phase electricity for running this loom, and they can have three-phase electricity is for industrial units. This is a small-scale industrial unit. So they will be given free electricity. Government will not charge any money. One thing. Second thing, they have got cooperative societies. கூட்டுறவு சங்கத்துல உறுப்பினர் இல்லையா? இல்லையா? வைக்கலையா? அப்படியா? சரி. In some towns they have cooperative societies and they are selling threads at low cost. So they have to work for say 8 or 10 hours a day in order to gain some money. So that is how the working condition of the weavers. Fine. Any questions?
ஒரு நாளைக்கு எவ்வளவு சார் கூலி கிடைக்கும்? ஒரு நாளைக்கு தோராயமா? மார்னிங் ஈவினிங் அப் டு
10 மணி நேரம் வேலை. 300 அவ்வளவுதான். ஒரு நாளைக்கு 5 சேலை போட்டுருவீங்க. 5 சேலை போட்டுருவீங்க. 10 சேலை போடும். சரி. உங்களுக்கு சம்பளம் 300 ரூபாயா? சரி. He gets 300 rupees per day for his weaving, with which he cannot support the family. This is the condition of the weavers. உங்களுக்கு எத்தனை குழந்தைகள் இருக்காங்க?
2 பையன், ஒரு பொண்ணு ஒரு பையன்.
See, with a family of 4 people, including his son and daughter, he has to support a family from his daily earning of 300 rupees per day. So that is the social condition of the weavers.
Boys, don't touch the thread.
See, don't touch the apparatus and other things. You listen and ask questions if at all you want from that gentleman. Anything else? Questions? Finished? என்ன? What is இது எவ்வளவு விலை இந்த ஒரு மிஷின் மட்டும்? இந்த
விலை மட்டும் 60000.
60000, 60000 rupees.
75000.
இது all include 75000 rupees per unit, inclusive of all the attachments. It is இது வெளிநாட்டு மிஷினா? உள்ளூரா?
இல்ல அங்க
கோயம்புத்தூரா?
கோயம்புத்தூர், ஈரோடு.
So the unit is manufactured at Erode and 75000 rupees per unit. ஆமா மாறும். அது
ஒரு நூலோட கலர் மாறிடுச்சுன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, தப்பா போயிடுச்சுன்னா அந்த என்டையர் இது வந்து குவாலிட்டி ரிஜெக்ட் ஆயிரும்.
என்ன பண்ணணும்?
வேற கலர் மாறாது.
அது ஒரே
அடுத்த பாவம் முடிஞ்சா தான் வேற கலர். அடுத்தாப்புல வேற கலர்.
என்ன நெஞ்சு கொடுத்தாலும் ஆனால் பெண்கள் வாங்கிட்டு போயிடுவாங்கல்ல, அது டிசைன் தருவாங்க. அது ஒன்று இருக்கு, டிசைன் அப்படின்ட்டுருவாங்க, ஃபேஷன் அப்படின்னு. நீ எவ்வளோ மோசமாக நெஞ்சு கொடுத்தாலும் அது ஃபேஷன் அப்படின்ட்டுருவாங்க. 2 hours. He takes 2 hours for making one saree.
How many sarees they'll make?
5 sarees.
He makes 5 sarees. 5 sarees.
5 sarees in a loop.
And 2 lamps and 5 sarees per machine per day.
Sometimes it may be damaged also.
அது வேற.
Then they find out the damage and correct it.
இல்லைன்னா சேலை போகாது. டேமேஜ் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா சேலை வாங்க மாட்டாங்க.
அப்ப என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க?
கோத்தெடுத்துக்கணும்.
அது என்ன? அது
இந்த பாவை லூஸ் விட்டு கோத்தெடுத்துக்கணும்.
ஓ சரி சரி, அந்த சரி.
அப்பதான் சேலை போகணும். நமக்கு
ஆமா, அது
Stitching, unstitching.
finished. Thank you. We will go to the next. Thank you. ரொம்ப நன்றிங்க. ரொம்ப அருமையா சொன்னீங்க விஷயங்களை. You have to get answers from them. Yes. Say thank you. Say வணக்கம் ஐயா and come. அதான் தமிழ்ல வந்து வணக்கம் ஐயா. நன்றி ஐயா. அதான் அந்த பாவு.
Sit down. Sit down and make it fast. Oh, your leg is paining for 1 hour. All 600. Okay. You all know how. Yeah, this one Gandhiji used. No. You all know how a fiber is made into a fabric. What is a fiber? Fiber is a thin strands of thread. When they are twisted together, we'll get a yarn. Okay.
clearly, okay? You have to submit the assignment.
This one ma'am said to write in the activity note. They didn't even give.